Stop looking at my phone. Stop looking at it.
Attack my mark.
Come on, Jalen.
You're acting silly for the camera. You're acting silly for the camera.
Get up. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Let's go. We're leaving. Bye. He's like, oh snap. Why are you leaving me? Look, he's trying to get up. He's like, yeah, you're not leaving without me. Wow. Really? What? You know you're funny. You're crazy, you know that? You're crazy. You hitting that high pitch note like Mariah Carey. Right? You hear me singing just like mommy. See yes. See yeah.
We gotta do that.
See, I told you guys he was gonna be a singer. He said yeah. Right? Tell daddy.
Do I have any other skins, person? Do I have any other skins?
Huh?
Do I have any other skins?
Yeah.
Jalen.
I changed the original to the normal, but not the shotgun.
You're gonna lose your voice. You have to get up. We're gonna go take pictures with Santa. Come on, let's go. Get ready. Come on, get up. Put on your clothes. Yeah, look at Daddy's toes in the camera.
Toes.
That's good. Alright, that's enough cuteness for one day, right? Okay, you can't be cute anymore. I said so. Excuse me. This is what I have to hear every day. You're just so crazy. Look at you.
You just saw a kill.
Yeah, I was gonna die as well.
Why'd you not?
Alright, Jalen. That's enough cuteness for one day.
You said that 2 times.
You see, guys, like, he's not even whining or fussing. He's just
Yelling.
Is he trying to laugh? Like, is he...
He's laughing.
He's like, let me...
There's a Richard Lantern on him.
I'll be doing the shot. I beasted. Let's last one, then you got it. Let me play this last round, then you can play.
I want you guys to get ready.
What time is it?
It's 1.
What time was it out your friends?
1. 12.
12.
Yes.
They already went out?
Hey!
So we have 1 hour.
You better
Went
let
out?
go. Say bye. Say bye.
They went out already?
Hold on. Say bye.